In this video, we will have a look at prototyping and short-run packaging. We'll see how prototyping will benefit your business. Let's have a comparison of traditional and digital prototyping methods and find out which method will suit your business. As you might know, in-house prototypes can generate more profit and remarkable changes for your business. When you present a prototype of actual product, your customer can visualize where the product will fit in his business. You can always stand out from your competitors, thus take a step ahead of your competitors. Now, let's see what is digital and traditional production methods. Traditional cutting methods include two methods, which are offset cutting and cutting by hands. Offset cutting is a long process which requires expensive cutting dies. Changing dies is difficult and takes a lot of time. Dies are created by outsourcing, which is then loaded to a huge machine to create products. This process consumes effort, money, and requires for experts. Now you might have understood that this method is not a solution for prototyping and short-run production. This method only suits for high-volume productions. It has a long list of disadvantages, which includes high initial investment cost, and it also takes a lot of your time. Cutting by hand also has its own disadvantages, as it's very difficult to cut curves and zigzag designs, and some designs are impossible to create. Other disadvantages includes prototypes with inaccurate dimensions and of low quality, which will end up with rejections from your customer and you end up losing your profit. Now, let's see what is digital prototyping. Digital prototyping solutions doesn't use dies for product creation. It's quick, user-friendly, and affordable. Prototype designs can be created as per customer's requirement in a software, which is later cut and creased using digital flatbed cutter like FCX 4000. For best digital experience and for various other reasons, including price and performance, we recommend OK printers along with FCX 4000 flatbed cutter. We make these recommendations based on our experience and due to many factors which we can discuss in our future videos. You can do it in-house. See how easy and time-saving it is. You just have to design your prototype, print it, and finish it with a flatbed cutter. Imagine you can send your prototype design from your head office to your branch offices in different parts of the world. You can do that in no time, with the same quality of cut and crease. Advantages and disadvantages of digital prototyping. Digital prototyping has a long list of advantages compared to traditional prototyping. It is less expensive than traditional prototyping and perfectly suits short-run production. You can make different designs in no time with the same consistency. Now let's compare both methods. 1. Expense. As mentioned before, traditional prototyping uses dies or molds, which makes it expensive and suitable only for mass production, while digital method prove a higher profit. 2. Time. Traditional methods are labor-intensive and time-consuming as it takes hours for setting up the machine itself, and digital method is an easy process where you can create and redesign your prototypes within minutes. Also, in digital method, we don't need expertise. 3. Effort. In traditional methods, it's very difficult to make curves and zigzag designs, and some designs are not possible to make, while digital method gives you hands-free cut and crease. In other words, it ensures you effortless results. Digital method doesn't require expertise as traditional methods. Applications. See the wonderful applications made with digital method and how fast you can make them, which is impossible in traditional method. Why OK? OK gives us quality prints and vibrant colors and can print on paper up to 360 GSM. It has wide range of application and also available in white and clear toner. Why FCX 4000? It is the most user-friendly and digital solution available for prototyping and ensures accurate cutting. It is especially designed to make clean cuts, and it's economical compared to competitors. How does it work? When you select a digital cutter, be sure to have arms option in it. Arms can generate accurate cuts and find reverse crease for your prototypes. Now we hope that you have found all the answers about your prototyping issues. For future comparisons or videos, product updates, be sure to subscribe to our channels and feel free to contact us for further questions.